Hi all, welcome. I've got Dior unboxing today. I have this one from my personal shopper. She managed to get this one for me in Europe at the end of January before the price increase, and this one arrived yesterday. Today my little boy will be helping me with the unboxing. As usual, he loves to do that. I specifically asked my PS for this Christmas box. Luckily, she got one for me. Now we'll see what's inside. That is the receipt. Here it is. A mini Lady Dior in latte color with light gold hardware. I'm taking over now. Here is the close-up look of this little cutie. I've always wanted a white bag, and I always want a mini Lady Dior. It's just that I was nervous whether my phone will fit in this bag or not. But let's see. It is so pretty in lambskin. I don't know how durable it is, but it's a white bag, so I know I will be very careful with this one. Here is the opening, just a flap opening, and the inside. Here is the authenticity card. It was bought in January 26, 2021, shortly before the price increase. Here is the chain. I will put it on later. The inside is the textile lining. It's like the brown color, I think almost gold. It has one zip pocket in the back here. That is the inside. Now let's try to put the chain strap. The chain strap is very pretty, and I like it because it has this leather part here. It will sit comfortably on my shoulder. Here is the details. This bag is so pretty. So here is the mini Lady Dior in latte color. Let's see if my phone fits. If I buy a bag, my phone has to fit inside. So here it is. It fits quite nicely. Yay! So, what do you think? You like it?
It's good.
Really?
Yeah.
It's cute?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for the help.
Okay.
That's all for my unboxing today. Thank you for your time. See you again soon, guys. Bye.